Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out this keyboard from ProtoArc. This is the EK01 Plus dual mode ergonomic keyboard with backlight. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, so let's see. You have a quick start guide right here. User manual. See what this is. Support card. Brochure of all the other stuff that this company makes. It's my first time. I didn't know about ProtoArc, and here is a thank you card from the person that designed this keyboard. Pretty cool. All right, you got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and here goes the blue ergonomic keyboard. This thing is huge. So you got padding throughout the whole keyboard. At the bottom side, you do have a USB-A receiver. There's your on-off switch. Here are your legs, and you actually have legs on all four sides. Here's the USB-C connection where you charge the keyboard. Lithium battery, 2000 milliamp. This first button here is your receiver connection, and then you got Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2. So you are able to connect 3 different devices here. Ergonomic gives you proper posture when typing. I like how they used, once they split this up, they were able to use this space right here for your media keys. Your play button, track ahead, track back, and your volume. That's pretty cool. Alright, so this keyboard does light up. It is a white light. It doesn't do the colorful thing. Just a white light. Has 3 settings. Setting 1, 2, 3. Then you have off, so you don't have to have the light on if you choose not to. One thing that you have to realize about this keyboard is that it's pretty big. Cool design, but it is big. And one thing that I did before getting this keyboard is to measure the real estate on my desk. From here to here, you're looking at about 20.75, and from here to here, you're looking at about almost 10 inches. That's a nice chunk of real estate. And this is actually my work desk here at work. And as you could see, it fits right in here. All in all, really nice. Really like the fact that you're able to connect to multiple devices. Really like the layout, and it is comfortable working in this design. So if you're looking for a keyboard that helps to keep you productive and is comfortable to use, check this one out. I think you're going to like this one. This one's from ProtoArc.